So these are the screws that we use for screwing together the split bars in garages. Since we went bagless on these, when we collect them, they're just sitting on the controller there or in our pockets. So what I did was I got one of these containers and I attached it on there so that we can now store our screws. I was having to think about that and I realised it would be troublesome to restock. So what I've done now is made a bracket. We can take that box out, we can bring it over and restock.
Well, lads, just here at the punch press. So a couple of times this has happened where you can see there all the tools have been dropped out of the punch press. Very easy to hit this button here, remove tools, and you think you're trying to change the tool or swap it, but it actually drops all the tools out of the machine together and then you can reload them all again. So I'm going to try to do a quick improvement on that. Just back here at the punch press, so I've just kind of head loaded up all the tools again. I've actually locked them all, so there's a little lock symbol here at the status bar. And now when you hit remove tools, it won't drop the tools that are locked.
So these are the drill bits that we use in the machine shop here. These were mounted up on the fence here. I had a little bracket, little shelf thing holding them up. But when we replaced the fence there, that got chucked out. So ever since, these have just been sitting here. Okay, so I've made up this little shelf here. I've also got some new shadow foam in here. There's a hole there assigned for each thing and the label on it so we know what is missing when it's missing.
Now, so here's an improvement on our final quality checks for the garage area. So we always had this final quality check that covered Jura stores, thermostores and multi-rooms. But what we realised is there's a lot of stuff that are relevant on multi-rooms missing off this. So what we've done now, gone ahead and we made a multi-room only final quality checklist. Once this is followed step by step, there should be nothing missed of any of the loads.
On our accounts committee by board on our daily tasks, we don't have a SOP created for sending the dockets to the fitters each day. So I have now just gone ahead, created the SOP using Gemba docs, added the QR code to the board.